Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sonyas Prep. I get asked a lot of times, do I ever order in Shabbat? Why do I always make all this much food? Is there any time that you just take a break and you don't cook anything? So today we're going to be delving into that question. So let's roll up our sleeves and let's get prepping. This weekend, we were invited to our friend's house. We were so excited. I packed everyone's bags. I just bathed the baby. I got myself all ready. And my husband got sick. He had a fever. And my son comes home from camp and he had a fever. So very last minute, at around 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday, we decided that is the safest thing to just stay home because we don't want to get anybody else sick. We were so sad that we had to miss out on getting together with our friends. We were so excited. They were so excited. Everyone prepared so hard. But life happens. I'm sure this happened to many people with kids unexpectedly. People get sick and that's what happens. But I was left at 4 o'clock not having pretty much anything made. I did make a few things. I do have a video how I prepare to go away for Shabbat and what I bring to my hosts home. But still, nonetheless, I just had a few salads prep and some sourdoughs, as you saw. And I didn't really have any meals prepared. I did have some desserts. So we did go to the store very quickly and we did buy all of Shabbat. So I'll show you exactly what we bought and how we plan to use it. I'm gonna start by showing you what I prepped to take to our hosts. So I made sourdough and I made these 3 salads. These are the bourguignon. This is eggplant in tomato sauce and eggplant in duck sauce. I also made for them baklava, and my daughter made them brownies. So that's what I had in the house. I quickly ran to the store and got some of these prepared foods. So I'll take you along. I got chicken soup because we have sick people in the house. I got 2 of them because we have a lot of people in the house, and they usually like chicken noodle soup. So we have 2 of these. I also decided to get a treat, some sushi, and I quickly also got for fish. I just bought a whole fish and I put it in the oven. So right now I have fish and rice cooking away in my oven because I just like my own fish and my own rice. It didn't look so good in the stores. I also got these chicken bottoms over here. I got 3 of them. I got potato knishes, some franks and blanks, hot poppers, potato kugel, and string beans. And for Saturday for lunch, I got some cholent. I got 2 of them because I just wasn't sure if one would be enough. And that is basically it. So yes, absolutely, we do order in when we have to. I hope this answered most of your questions about if we ever take Shabbats off, and we do. And there are different places where you can get Shabbat food. Some restaurants also cater food and you can pick it up. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We are so close to 100,000 subscribers. It's very exciting. So if you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, definitely do so. Shabbat Shalom from my family to yours.